Welcome back to Teshkid FX for another Aptos price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Aptos chart, which at the time of this recording is holding above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. At the time of this recording, we are also trying to battle out a key area of resistance at around the $12.6693 mark, and in case we manage to break above that key area of resistance, then the next move that I'll be watching here on the Aptos chart is a retest of that key area of resistance, and once we see a successful retest, then we can continue unlocking even higher prices. We have also continued to obey the Elliot structures, where we had been seeing a bit of a breakdown to the lower side in the formation of these larger Elliot counts too, and we managed to get into the minimum retracement area, which lies between the $11.9 mark and the $9.98 mark, in a move that gave us a low at around the $9.7 mark. And after seeing that low, we are seeing a bit of a bounce to the upper side in what could be the start of an impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. And before I get further into the technical analysis and also give you my next price targets to the upside in the formation of that wave 3, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to continue with the video here on the 4-hour chart by first giving you a quick recap of what has been happening, where you can see that after making our lower low at around the $3.073 mark, we started that massive bounce to the upper side, obeying the Elliot structures, where you can see that I have this Elliot structure in yellow, having that as the first wave, then a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4, and then a wave 5, giving us a peak at around the $20.43 mark. And after seeing the formation of that wave 5, I believe we peaked in the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 1 to the upper side. And after seeing the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 1, whatever we expected next was a corrective structure to the lower side in the formation of a higher Elliot wave count 2, and using the Fibonacci's connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, I was able to come up with a minimum retracement area to the lower side in the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 2 between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, which is a target area that lies between the $11.7569 mark and the $9.7094 mark, which is a target area that we fully maximized. And having fully maximized that target area, I now believe that we have bottomed out in the formation of that higher Elliot wave count 2, and whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of this massive bounce to the upside in the formation of that wave 3, and sketching out a target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 by connecting the trend based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. That gives me a minimum target area to the upper side in the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $37.8597 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting Aptos to do in the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 3. And because of the impulsive nature in the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 3, I'm also expecting to see a 5-wave structure in formation within the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 3, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our target areas and also giving us the high for that larger Elliot wave count 3 to the upper side. So that is what I'm expecting to play out here on the short-term scenarios. And since we are trying to battle out a key area of resistance, we need to be watching that key area of resistance, and that is at around the $12.6226 mark. And a break above that key area of resistance, then we need to expect a retest of that key area of resistance before we can continue pushing even higher, continue unlocking higher prices. And once that happens, then we need to watch the high for this wave B at around the $16.7891 mark, because a break above that could trigger even higher prices to give us a high above the high for these higher Elliot wave count 1 to the upper side. And a break above those highs, then that will be enough confirmation that whatever we are seeing here on the Aptos chart is the start of that impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of that wave 3. So that is what I have here on the short-term scenarios, and continue watching that key area of resistance and also taking a look at the indicators to see what movements will be supported. On the RSI, we are trading at around the 62 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices in the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 3. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices in the formation of that wave 3. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.